Hey, I'm Alex from Marc's Ability. In this video, we're going to show you a short review of the GP130, which is called a Buzzaround CarryOn mid-wheel drive power chair. So stay tuned. So once again, we have the GP130 here by Golden Technologies. This is one of the first of a kind that I've seen that's a mid-wheel drive portable power chair that you do not have to unplug the joystick cables when you disassemble the unit. Now the total weight of this unit when it's disassembled, the heaviest piece is going to be 46 pounds. Your battery is going to be 6 pounds, and the overall weight of the unit when it's fully assembled is somewhere between that 78 to 76 pounds if it's fully assembled. Now it is airline approved. It is going to go about 3.85 miles per hour, and it's going to have a top end range of 12.5 miles of total drive distance. Now it's got a 300-pound weight capacity. Now the one thing I do want to mention, it does not going to have a swivel seat based on the type of connections that it has under the unit. It is going to come with front headlights, and it's going to come with a rear tail light. It is going to come with a built-in USB here on the side, and then it's also going to come standard with a carry-on travel bag as well. So when you're flying, you're able to put this in here if the airline requires you to take the battery out of the unit. But it's very easy to take it out with just a simple push of a button. The battery will come right out, and it actually has a charging port on the side of the battery as well. So if you can charge this while you leave the unit inside your vehicle or inside your hotel room, you are able to take just the battery out and plug it in and charge it. If you don't want to charge it that way, you're able to plug it in when it's fully assembled right here into the front of the joystick. Now I'll show you quickly how easy this is to take apart. All you're going to have to do is pull a yellow lever in the front, lift the seat off. From here, you're able to take your seat post and lower that down. Now you are able to take your basket off. If you take your basket off, your overall height is only 10 inches. With your basket on, it's closer to 11 or 12 inches. But without the basket on the unit, which comes off easily, it's 10 inches in overall height, it's 23.5 inches in overall width, and it's 38 inches in length. I do want to mention this has a 21-inch turning radius, so that's a very small turning radius for a 300-pound mid-wheel drive power chair that is portable. It is going to have fault codes underneath this little tab up underneath this cover here in the front, which covers up your brain box. So do remember, if you ever have a fault code issue, you can take that off and you can look and see how many flashes you're getting, and it will tell you what it is underneath that cover. Now it is easy to take these two levers, you pull these, and you're going to push your seat post back up until it clicks back in place. And then from here, all you have to simply do is align the center post up here and then drop it on. Now I had my button still on, so I knew I had power, but I tell everybody else, go ahead and turn it on. You'll see that your lights come on and you're able to drive the unit. So I really like this unit. It's going to have really good suspension. As you can see here, it's going to help you to be able to get over certain items, but there's not going to be a lot of adjustability. So there's not going to be any swivel. There's not going to be an adjustable height. It's 22 inches top of the seat to the ground, and the foot plate is not adjustable. But if you want, you can go ahead and you're going to follow me outside. I'm going to sit in this and I'm going to drive it around so you can see what I look like at 6 foot, 210 pounds. So this is going to be the GP130. Like I said, I'm 6 foot tall. I'm 210 pounds, so you can kind of see what I look like sitting on this unit. There's not really going to be any adjustability on the seat height or on the foot plate, so this is kind of what you're going to get. But what makes this unit unique is this is going to have this really tight 21-inch turning radius. Mid-wheel drive is going to be the smallest turning radius configurations out of the front, middle, or rear. Now this is going to be great. It's going to have headlights, it's going to have tail lights. There are actually does come with red and blue standard, and there are going to be optional colors that you can buy. That's going to be an additional cost. Like I said, armrests do flip up. It's actually a very comfortable seat. I am very impressed with the overall design of this unit. Like all units, we typically go and we just try to see if it can go at all in the grass. So once again, I'm going to do that now just to kind of see how this performs. Now this is a travel type chair, so I can tell you, as compared to other portable units on the market, I would say that actually has a good amount of power. I don't think it's going to have that high of a ground clearance. I think it's like a 2-inch ground clearance. I'm going to go ahead, just so I don't scrape the foot plate, I'm going to take my feet off of this real quick because it has a little bit of a dip, and I'm going to raise that up. I could have gone over that. That was not for safety. That was just because I didn't want to scratch the product. But that actually in the grass drove better than what I would have thought. So if somebody said, hey, I want to take this to baseball fields, I want to take this around, can I take this different places? I would recommend this, and I would say, yeah, it's going to be, as long as it's a hard compact surface, you can drive it on that. So I'm thoroughly impressed. It has really good suspension, it has a soft ride, and that really tight turning radius. So if you're looking for something like this, go ahead and give us a call.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.